Alright guys, here's a quick one for you. '09 Nissan Sentra, anything of this generation, kind of the same. You get a suspension noise, sounds like the front end's gonna fall out of the car, and it's loud. Like the kind of noise you'd expect to find like a completely broken strut or something like that. It's usually, I know this strut is broken, but usually it's not. It's usually these frame bushings up in here. And if you look carefully, so I can get in on this, you can see how it's sitting. Yeah, focus. It's sitting right on the rail right there. Where on this side, it's got a little bit of a space, right? And if you stick a pry bar in here, you can. Let's see if we can do this. You can see the whole. Let me see if I get a better angle. And every time you hit a bump, it goes bang, 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 bang. Sorry for shaking. I'm trying to hold it with one hand and pry with the other. But it's basically these bushings right in there. Look at the pry bar in there. There's two on the back, one there, one back over and here, and two up front, one over yonder, and one on that side. The whole subframe does have to come down. The brackets come off. Drop the lower bolt. Well, there's a couple different ways to do it. The book way is one way. There's the easier way. There's obviously a different way. I think we usually pop the tie rod ends, take the pinch bolt out of the rack and pinion. I think the OE directions tell you to unbolt the rack from the frame. I'd rather not do that. So pop the tie rod ends, pop the pinch bolt in the rack and pinion. Drop the lower ball joints, drop the sway bar links here, leave the bar on the frame, whatever electrical connections you got, brackets, and then drop the whole frame down. Press out the old bushings, push the new bushings in, and you're good to go. It is a few hours worth of work. If it's not something you're comfortable with, you're probably better off not trying it, and that's that. But that's the noise. Think. Makes a horrible noise. But that's it, guys. So if you're looking for a crazy noise on a Sentra, look there. And I don't know why it's usually this bushing. This is the passenger side rear. I don't know why, but it's usually this side. So that's it, guys. See you later.